everyone, so today I'm going to review the Maps Combo Pack US and World Maps from Homeschool in the Woods. So you get the US maps and the world maps, which I'll show you both. And this has been wonderful to use. We have mainly been using the world maps to go along with our geography study, but next year I will be using these US maps very heavily with my fourth grader because we will be learning about the different states and regions of the US. So I wanted to show you both, and the great thing is you do get all of it with this combo pack, and this is something you can print out and use for all your children and you can use forever. So that is what I love about this. I really love digital curriculum or resources that I can do that with. So here we have notebook covers. We have every single state that has labeled. So labeled map. We also have no labels. So if you want your child to label things on the map themselves. And we have outlines. So if you want them to add things on a blank map, like the mountain ranges or things like that, you can totally do that. So that's for every single state. We also have historical maps, colonial America, growth of US to 1800, and so forth. United States political map and physical map. And then we have state fact pages. So you have the state facts for each page, plus you have the teacher key. So isn't that awesome? So in case you don't know, you can look there. For every state. Then we have state flags. Okay, so that is the US maps and fact sheets, and historical maps and everything. And I'll show you the notebook covers. I don't think I showed you these. So here's for the spines. Isn't that pretty? And then there's a black and white version as well. Okay. So that is what you get with the US maps, but let's take a look at the world maps. You also get the world maps, and so with the world maps we have again some notebook covers. So we have a colored one or black and white. We also have ancient maps. So if you're learning about ancient history, which we will be learning about as our group studies in our homeschool, we will be learning ancient history. So we will heavily use these ancient maps this coming year. So we haven't used these yet, but we will be using these this coming year. So we've got ancient Africa, ancient China, ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, and so forth. And within these, not only do we have the maps themselves of, ancient China, for example, but we have the different dynasties for China. So you've got the Shang dynasty and the Qin and Han dynasty and so forth. When that's applicable, here's ancient Egypt. So we have all of the different ancient maps. We've got Paul's missionary journeys, the 12 tribes of Israel, all of that. Then we have modern maps, and the modern maps is what we have been using, and we use these with our geography study. We do subscription boxes for geography, and so every month, the country that we're learning about in our subscription box, I have the girls find that country on a map and color it in on a world map and the continent map, so they get an idea of where it is in the world and where it is in that continent. So we've got all the oceans there, and then we've got notebooking pages. So we've got, and I've showed some of these before, we've got like a brochure. Those are really fun. We've got facts pages. So if you want to do for your geography kind of like we do. Christmas. We got flags. We've got some more notebooking pages with a little timeline at the bottom. We've got religious history, 7 Wonders of the Ancient World. We'll be using that one this year. We've got country reports. We've got generic reports that are blank. We have geography vocabulary. Newspaper. An itinerary. That's pretty fun too. So as you can see, there's all kinds of things all included in the combo pack. So it is so helpful, and I know, like I said, that I will use this for years to come. So I'm very glad to have this product, and I think you won't be disappointed. So I'm going to leave the link down below where you can check this out. I'm also going to leave the link down below where you can find information from other moms who have reviewed different products from Homeschool in the Woods. They've reviewed individual timelines, project passports, time travelers, U.S. history studies, and lap packs and activity packs. And so I want you to make sure to go check that out, because there's those timeline packs that you might want to check out too. And so the individual timeline sets are pretty cool too. That might be next on my list to get. So make sure to go check out those links that I'm going to leave down below. And if you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.